Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how you can change location of a camera by using UMG buttons in Widget blueprints. First, let's create Widget blueprint. We'll name it camera underscore spawn. We'll open it. We'll add two buttons in it. Just compile and save. Now open label blueprint. In event begin play, we'll create widget. We'll add camera spawn here. Then import add to viewport. Just connect it. Get player controller, set show mouse cursor. Here we are spawning our widget blueprint directly in level blueprint. Just check. Yes, we are spawning our buttons. Now let's make camera. We'll use pawn class. Camera underscore pawn. We'll open it. We'll add our camera. C1, compile and save. To check or for the reference, we are going to add two cameras in the scene. First one is this, and the second one, just for the reference. Perspective. Let's add a basic cube here in the center. I'll just rotate it so that you will get the idea if we are changing our locations or not. Just compile and save. I'll make new level, camera position, just save. Now open our widget blueprint. In graph, we'll make a function to spawn our camera. We'll name it position. We'll add two inputs in it. First one, location. We'll use vector for it. Second one, rotation. We'll use rotator for it. Just compile. Now we'll add our actor here by using get actor of all class. We'll use our camera pawn class here. We'll add for each loop here. Just connect those. Now we'll set the location. Set actor location and rotation directly from here. Let's connect those pins. Keep it neat and clean for better understanding. Compile. Just connect those target to array element. Save. In designer, we'll choose our first button and go on the event. We'll use on click. On click, we will have to change the location of our camera. So we'll use that function we have just made. We'll do it for the second button also. Now let's get the location for both of the cameras, -360, 60 and 80. -360, 60 and 180, right? 80, that's 80 actually. In second camera, 50, 350, 50, 350 and 110. In rotation, -90, -90, just compile and save. Now you can delete this camera because we are spawning only this camera. We'll possess the player at player 0. Let's save. Let's play. On click 1, there's the same location. On click 2, there's a different location. There is some issue with the camera lens. Let's change the camera lens. I'll use 30 mm or 12, better. Just save it. Let's play again. See, you can get the different location by just clicking those two buttons here. Just save your file.